What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very important day. We are going to be looking at SUI. So SUI has been on an absolute tear the past few weeks. I mean, look at that straight line up. No red weeks in the last 5 weeks. If this week ends green, craziness. Anyways, using the weekly, we can find these levels of resistance. This is kind of a big deal because of what it's doing right now. I'm not trying to fearmonger or anything, but currently, after this absolute straight line up, we are hitting our final level of resistance. Take that information as you will. Final level of resistance. Straight line up. On the weekly, you are almost overbought. Last time you were overbought on the weekly was back here on February 12th, and that ended up leading to a bit of a sell-off of 38%. So the second time you were in overbought territory on the weekly was back here on March 25th of this year. Yeah, of this year. Let me point that out real quick. But this year, that turned into a little bit of a sell-off. Approximately 78% sell-off. So, yeah. I am not saying history is going to repeat itself. All I'm saying is maybe there's very little value at these areas. Yeah, so I will be definitely looking for shorting options here. Anyways, these are your levels you really have to worry about and think about. So if SUI, for some reason, unbeknownst to me of how this could possibly be, cannot hold $1.7938, I mean, very quickly we could see $1.24. We do have a little bit of support sitting right below us, down here at $1.555. Yeah, can't hold that small level that was regarded as support once. Very quickly, we could see a bit of a retracement. Anyways, let's go down to your daily time frame. By the way, if you're having some issues because you're in the US and you need a place to be able to trade this stuff, you can join our partners. The link is in the description down below. It is Jumpex. You can actually trade this thing on leverage, but the best part is if you really want to support the channel in a great way and you can't stare at these charts like I do, where you could see the absolute craziness of this market on a daily basis, you could join the copy trading, which is fantastic. You go to the copy trade tab on Jumpex, and then you search for my name. This is where every single time I win in a trade, you win as well. Noted, I make zero money unless I actually do good trades. Full transparency. So it's in my best interest to make us both money. The split is a 90-10 split. You get 90% passive income. I get 10% for putting in the trades and all the effort. Anyways, shameless plug over. So we're back to looking at SUI here, and SUI, as you can see on the daily, we did just get a golden cross. Great, awesome, but it's no pullbacks. There's been no pullbacks. That's what worries me most. And another big worry that I have is, like, even back here, you basically broke this level, that form of resistance. Are you going to say that was a back test? Are you? Because I'm not. I'm not going to say that's a back test. So in reality, we could see price come all the way back down to $1.05, and I wouldn't bat an eyelash. I wouldn't even be worried. I'd be like, wow, we had a normal pullback. Feels like crypto. Anyways, so looking at it on the daily, you can see we've been overbought for like 2 weeks. No big deal. Coming down to your 4 hour. So on your 4 hour time frame, you can see right here we have had distinct hidden bearish divergence. You have a high back here from, what is this, September 20th? We serious? Yeah, September 20th. We are now October 2nd. So for the past 12 days straight, we have been there's been distinct distribution. Just distributing. Whoever is selling off, they are doing it silently. Absolutely silently. And no one is actually paying attention to that, apparently. But let's see if we have any type of structure that we can go off of. So right here you can see we had a supply line, tried to dip below it a couple times, didn't work. We tapped it one more time. Now we have this breakout happening. Don't get me wrong, you could see an absolute crazy nonsense breakout, but this is a rising broadening wedge. These rising broadening wedges typically are bearish, so if we do get another touch up to the top, leading up to probably $2.16, that would also coincide with your all-time high. Yeah, we could very well see this thing turn around. It could be the start of the selling. Anyways, not really sure. Going down to your 1 hour time frame. In your 1 hour, it does look like a pullback could be starting because we do have very high stochastics. We have hit our peak here, and it looks like we could be going down. Of course, there is some discrepancies on different exchanges. So this exchange, this is on Binance. I believe on KuCoin, I want to say. It's slightly higher, but, you know, the discrepancies will work themselves out because of arbitrage trading. Anyways, looking at your 15-minute, you can see we did rise up very quickly after we tapped this supply line, and it does look like we're trying to form some form of rounded bottom. That's confusing, but our stochastic is resetting. Maybe we set a slightly higher high, and we start initiating a little bit of hidden bearish divergence. I'm not sure. What I am sure of is at these astronomically high prices, I personally will not be buying. Like, me personally, not really a go-to for me. I would feel a lot more comfortable taking a chance if it came all the way back down here to $1.24. You guys can tell me in the comments if you think that's even feasible. But when the selling starts, it's gonna be interesting. But who knows? Maybe because CZ is back, he's going to prop this thing up and send it to the moon. I don't know. All I know is that it seems like there's very little value up here. But if you do enjoy this style of content, which I already know, nobody likes bearish content. I get it. But hey, maybe some people should understand when to take some profits. Might be helpful. Anyways, you can always you can subscribe to the channel. That helps out greatly. On the road to 1K subscribers. It's a very hard row. We're at like 287 at the time of recording this video. Kind of is what it is. But you know what? We're trying. We're trying. I know as the bull run comes in, we will have plenty more subscribers, plenty more people jumping in. So if you want to be one of the true, I guess not true, but you will be an OG of the channel if you are within the top 500. If you're in the first 500, understand you've been here since the beginning, baby. But I do plan on dropping as much content as I can so that we all can take advantage of this market together. Anyways, enough of the shameless plugs. Hopefully you do check the description down below. You can find a link for Jumpex where you do become VIP status level 3. You also get rebates on all your trades, and you can do the copy trading. You also will find my Twitch channel down there where I do go live. I try to do 2 live streams a day, but if I have some issues waking up for market open, then it's 1 stream. Either way, we cover all the bases when it comes to all these charts. You can request for free. Yeah, anyways, do that. Go find my Twitch. Also join the Discord. I'm going to get on out of here. Hopefully you guys are having a great day, great week, great afternoon, anything. I'll catch you in the next one. Keep those stop losses tight.